Hi there, all you Cake Ninja fans out there. I am super excited to show you the newest upgrade to the Cake Ninja, which if you buy it now, you will get. And if you just want to add it to your Cake Ninja, I will have it separately available for purchase just by itself. And then I'll help you get it into your Cake Ninja major spreadsheet if you want to, or you can just have it as a separate sheet. Anyway, what this will do, I don't know about you, but I'm always feeling like, am I going to have enough batter? Am I going to have too much frosting? Is this enough filling? So while you kind of know if you've done it a while, I really don't like to have waste, and I don't like to have not enough, certainly. So this is a super duper calculator that will do so much for you. And it's just called the baking calculator. You're going to use it when you start to cost any of your cakes. So what you're going to do is, let's say you've had an order for 35 people and they want a 2-tier cake. So let's say, okay, so you kind of know maybe that's going to be a 6 and a 4, maybe it's going to be a 6 and an 8. So let's start with that. And particularly, you are maybe different. I do 3 layers on all of my cakes. So let's try an 8-inch round on the bottom, and I'm going to put 3 because I put 3 layers in there. And as you will see, this is going to give me 3 layers, will give me 23 servings. Right up here it tells you. And it's going to highlight in blue what you want to pay attention to. You're going to need, for just that portion, 1,760 grams of your batter. When you go to actually put it in your pans, you can measure it out as 587 per pan, so you won't have any left over and you'll have enough. If you're going to fill it, you're going to need 462 grams of filling, and that's 2 layers of filling, so you'll put 231 grams of filling between each of those 3 layers. If you're going to frost it, you're going to need 898 grams of ABC or SMBC. And if you're going to do a semi-naked, you're not going to need as much. You're going to be about slightly more than half. So you're going to need 444 if you decide to do a naked cake. And I have put some approximate baking times in here, but as you know, baking times are going to vary wildly based on the kind of recipe you're doing, based on your oven, based on whether or not you're using a cake nail or strips, where you live, your altitude, so many things. So this is a starting point, but I encourage you, since it's yellow, you know the cardinal rule with the Cake Ninja, you can put anything into a yellow cell. You can just change this as you go along, but these are what I kind of do, and you know, I might be tweaking them, and I always check every single cake anyway, but this is just a starting point. Okay, so, but you, as I recall, I think your guests were going to be, what was it, 35 or 36? So 23 is not going to do it, and they want 2 tiers anyway. So what if we put a 6 on there, and I do 3 layers? That is going to give me 12 more servings, and down here it'll give me a total. So right now we're at 35 servings, so that's about right. So an 8 and a 6 might be just about right. So that tells you for the 6, for all of those same things, what your numbers are going to be. Okay? So let's just say that this is going to be a 8-inch and a 6-inch cake, 3 layers each, and this is based on a 1-inch layer. So now let's go down to your bottom, and you're going to find out, okay, they want it to be all chocolate, so you don't have to worry about doing 2 different kinds of flavors. Your totals are, you know that you're going to need 2,750 grams of batter. You did not add any cupcakes, so nothing there. So your total batter is 2,750. You need 722 grams to fill all of those cakes. And you're going to need 1,403 grams of frosting if you're going to do just a regular frosting, okay? I'm going to add a semi in case you need one down here for the semi-naked. I just haven't done that yet, but that'll be on it when you buy it. So let's say that they call back and they say, oops, can you add 24 or 36 cupcakes to that order? I certainly can. Okay, and they're just going to be regular cupcakes. Well, no, she wants them filled. So she wants 24 filled cupcakes, so we're going to put 24. This tells you you'll get 24 more servings, how much batter you're going to need, how many grams of filling you're going to need, and how many grams of frosting. And this is, again, based on rosettes. So that's, kind of a medium to good amount of frosting. And of course your baking times, which you can change if you want to. So that's going to, and it also tells you for each cupcake, you need to measure out 35 grams per cupcake. Okay, so let's go down. It's added the cupcake to the total batter. It's added the filling to the total, and it's added the total to the frosting. So you can just, now you know also that you're going to have about 59 servings if you add those 24 cupcakes. Say that she says, okay, give me a price for non-filled cupcakes. Okay, so we'll put that back to 0 because you're going to be doing this on your costing master, but you need to know how many grams you need before you can do that. So let's put 24 on there. And it tells you you're going to need 840 grams of batter, and you're going to need just this much frosting, and of course no filling, so these are blacked out. Okay, so then you come back down to your bottom, your totals. It added the cupcake batter. It did not add any filling because they're not filled, and it added what you needed for your frosting to your total. It gives you a total of 59 servings. So the cool thing about this is if you're not really sure how many servings you're going to get out of certain things, you can just fool around with it a little bit. So maybe you want to try, and maybe you have, let's just freshen it. You do want to put zeros if you don't have anything there so the formulas don't get messed up. So let's say you have some 7-inch rounds, and let's do 3. Let's say you want to get exactly 36, so that's 18. So let's do a 3 there. That's only 9, so that's a total of 27. Okay, so maybe you want to do a 2, a double 8-incher, and a 5, and that's going to give you 24, right? So that's 24. So you can fool around with it and just see, exactly how many servings you're getting down here. It'll show you as you put them in up here, and you can just goof around with it until you get exactly the number of servings you want. So these are some important things that you need to know. Also, I have based these servings not on the wedding size serving because I just think they're entirely too small. So they're based on the party size, which is a decent size. So if you're going to be providing for a wedding or an event that has a lot of different desserts, then just be aware of that these are more generous size servings. But I just hate it when people feel like, I don't want people to feel like they don't have enough, like the servings were really tiny. So that's what I based this on. But that can all be edited. If you just let me know, I can fix that to your liking. But this is just the most awesome thing. I'm so excited about it. I've been using it for about the last 2 weeks or so, and I'm very excited about it because it just makes everything really easy. And so what I do is, so let's see, I'm going to make this cake. Then I have this pulled up and I have it on my kitchen table, and I know, okay, I need to make, I've made this many grams, but how do I divide that among my batters? Okay, so for this 5-inchers, they each need to have 229, and for the 2 8-inchers, they each need to have 587. So that is a summary of how this can really help you be much more efficient and have little or no waste in your recipes. So you can add this to your Cake Ninja as a standalone if you already have the Cake Ninja, since it was an upgrade in the last few weeks. Or you can just buy it by itself. I'll also have that available if you just want to use this. But I would encourage you to really think about using it as an integrated part of the Cake Ninja, because it's a whole system that keeps you really organized. So thank you, and we'll talk to you later.